2 videos back to back because it is on this unit. I started off filming like watch me style this hair, my first thoughts on this hair, but then child, after I was done filming, I kept on playing with the hair and I cut it and the hair just came more into life. Okay, more into life. This cut, I think, literally just made this unit. Okay, so this cut is literally giving me so much life, and I thought I had the life in that last video, but you never know when you get to playing around with your units. This literally, this hairstyle is giving me when I was back in Virginia vibes. There was a time where I always used to have my bangs cut, flowing, so when I flip it, it just lays, falls just perfect. Oh, yes, this is the cut. Yes, don't tell me this ain't it. I just transformed this wig.